Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dual Electronics XVM279BT car radio and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the device is not responding, or if it's failing to connect to your Bluetooth, or it's just not working in any kind of way like that, there's something wrong with the sound, or it's lagging. A hard reset can fix a lot of these troubleshooting issues, and it's really easy to do. Now, if you do this, it's going to restore the factory default settings, so you're going to have to set everything back up. But if you're ready to do that, I'll show you how to do it. It's real simple to do. All you need to do is like the tip of a pen or a paper clip or something, or even a pin. Just make sure it's not too sharp because it can damage the reset button. But you just need to find the reset button, which is over on the left side of the radio. So you see you have this SD card reader right here, and just to the right of it, you have this small button. You just need to come in with, like I said, with a paper clip or a pin or something, and just press that button for a second, and that will initiate the reset cycle on this radio. At which point, once it finishes its reset, you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new radio.